All right, y'all, we just hit over 7,000 miles on the Ram RHO. This truck meets all expectations and exceeds them. For the price point that you can get these trucks for, guys, go test drive one. You know, if you need a 3/4 ton or 1 ton, I get it. But if you don't, go test drive one of these. I purchased this truck. I drove it temporarily. I was gonna do some content on it until my 1 ton came in. When my 1 ton came in, I traded this back in. I went back, guys, and purchased this truck back, okay? I don't normally shout out to channels, but if you look at C-Tech Review, he's got a lot of really good videos on this RHO. Go check out that channel. Go check out Tim with Pickup Truck Plus. Now, there's a reason we're buying these trucks. And it's not because Ram's paying us, right? I mean, we look for really nice trucks. I'm one of those that overanalyzes things. I want it to ride really good. I want it to have power, you know, get the mileage, all those things. And the TRX is a different truck than this, okay? This is the same truck, basically just a different engine. I get that, but TRX is not gonna get the mileage. Y'all, took this thing to Tennessee. We were getting 420 miles to the tank, running 75, 80 miles an hour. That's one thing I don't do a lot of, is get fuel in this thing. For a 540 horse truck with 35s on it, you know, running 75, 80 miles an hour, I'm getting anywhere from 15 to 17 miles to the gallon. It's just amazing, amazing, okay? There's a lot of stuff out on this truck. I mean, there's some tuners. I'm not interested in that, but I think these tuners are getting people, they're plug and play. They're getting people to TRX numbers, okay? This high output engine is built really well. It's 540 horse, twin turbo. And Ram just put a lot of thought into this. And the hands-free driving is 100% one of the things that's my favorite. I put 7,000 miles on this thing in a month, month and a half, whatever it's been. I use it all the time. Absolutely love it. And trust it. I have the hands-free in other vehicles, you know, where it kind of moves from lane to lane and whips. This thing drives straight as an arrow. Full confidence when I'm sitting there. And the other hands-free driving don't do that for me. You know, the cold air, the intake, the scoop, twin turbo, inline six. Guys, when this thing's idling, it is smooth. You can't even tell it's running when you're sitting at the light. It's unreal. So, you know, I wouldn't, until you go drive this truck, and I've got another follower on my channel that had a brand new Super Duty on order, and he took delivery of it. I'm not going to mention his name, but he's a good dude. And same thing, he went and test drove this truck, and he's going to order a new RHO. Okay, the higher end RHOs are a little bit more, but you can find these trucks from anywhere from 5 to 10,000 off right now. So if you're looking at, like, this truck was an 86 sticker, you can probably find it for somewhere around 76, 77, somewhere in that area. This is the high end. That's, you know, basically sunroof. It's got the Ram steps on it. This one has the level 1 with the hands-free driving. And y'all, I'm gonna do a video on this EGR roll track I put on this thing. This is the bed cover right here, y'all. It's gonna get its own video, but I'll show you this. If the truck's unlocked, excuse me, but you've got buttons on both sides. You don't have to do anything. This truck's unlocked, you can just hit these buttons. This works with the remote control also. You hit the unlock 4 times, it'll open. You hit the lock 4 times, it closes. Another stock feature on this truck that's really nice is the electric tailgate. You know, my kiddo gets her backpack out in the morning, she puts it in the truck. You can see I run this little bed rug, which is really nice. And, you know, all she has to do is come over here, grab her bag, and then she doesn't have to try to lift the tailgate. She can just push that button. She does that every morning. Seems like a small thing, but it's important. She's got a heavy backpack. It's important to me she's not having to try to lift the tailgate and do all that. Electric tailgate. And the Fords have those too. Digital rearview mirror. This thing's got all the camera towing stuff on it. Like I said, I'm gonna give it its own video, y'all, but look at the brackets on this thing. This is the best bed cover I have ever seen built. EGR, guys. Sealed, bolted. Nobody's gonna pry that up. It's bolted down to the bed. Anyway, you can close that by pushing that button. Close tailgate. Like I said, get your camera. Go Got all your tow tech stuff, brake controller. They designed this truck. It's a 1500. Gets good fuel mileage. Runs like a rocket. Gets you the power. And they put a good price point on it. I think this is probably the most undervalued vehicle, or the best, most features I've ever purchased for the price. And guys, if you look at an entry level, even that doesn't have the hands-free driving, it's still going to have this interior in it, right? That's suede, leather, just got the passenger screen, you know, all this stuff in here. You know, you look at a base truck at 72, and that truck's 8 to 10 off, so 62. I mean, you're getting the shocks. Y'all, this is all the same stuff that's on the TRX. And I mean, I go down those washboard roads, I put this thing in Baja, and it's like it all just disappears. The bumps, we've got some terrible roads here in Victoria, and I know when I'm gonna roll onto them. I need to do a video on that, because you literally start feeling it when it's an auto. You shift to Baja, just change the mode, boom. I mean, it's just smooths the truck out. Baja's great. It does really good, you know, under 60. I think it's really great, but it gets a little bouncy when you get up at higher speeds, so don't want to run it there all the time. But anyway, I just kind of want to do a review, y'all. This is, like I said, just got over 7,000 miles. The other thing that's nice, you can kind of see, it's got the Ram logo. Guys, I like I said, just to have a stock truck that I haven't done anything to, really. I mean, I've got a leveling kit on it, which is, I put the wrong one. I put a TRX 1.5 inches, which netted me like 2. But Rohde is hooking me up, and I'm gonna put the 1.25 inch, just the 1.25 inch perch on the bottom of the coil, and that's gonna bring that front end down just a little bit. I'm about a 1/2 inch high right now, and I want to have about a 1/2 inch of rake, 1/2 to 1/4 inch. So hopefully that comes in this week. We'll get that on, get it realigned, go from there. But y'all, all I can tell you, watch the other YouTubers, check out their channel, check out some videos on this RHO, go test drive one. I challenge you, go drive it, come back, put in the comments what you think, right? I readjusted, you know, I decided we're gonna get rid of our big camper. I'm gonna go down to a 1/2 ton just because I love the features of this 1/2 ton. We're gonna make some more road trips with the family, and the kids really like that. And so this thing's super comfy to travel in. It's great, rides great, gets good fuel mileage. That's it. Now, am I gonna order a TRX? You bet. First, as soon as the order bank's open, I'm gonna order one. I had the TRX in 21. I had one of the first ones that came out. It was kind of, I think, the first group of the assembly line. Love that truck. I did not miss going to the gas station every day. But besides that, the wine, the V8 for sure, but probably get about half of the range that you're gonna get with this truck. I mean, I can remember maybe getting 230 to 240 to a tank, where this truck will almost get 415 to 420 on a tank. So significant difference in that. But anyway, thanks for watching the video. Again, if it helped you any, please hit that like and subscribe, and we will catch you on the next video.